here recording a little bit down at the lake. Just thought I'd see what was going on down here at Boone Lake. Like the boats are out enjoying the lake being back up. Few fishing off of the bank down here on the left. Little boy, I don't know if he's having any luck or not. Don't fall in, little buddy. Thought he had something there, but I guess that's just the water sloshing up on the rock. Another pontoon boat. Uh-oh, went blurry a minute, sorry. Motorcycles up on the highway. Nice looking color for a jet ski. About it for right now. That ain't going on now. I'll be back in a minute or two. Like I said, I'm just down here hanging out, watching people on the lake. I'll be back in a minute or two. Hope you enjoy the little video. Thanks everybody for watching the one I uploaded last night or yesterday evening. Hope y'all enjoy the videos. Thanks for watching. I'll be back. These two guys just put in on their little kayaks. I guess they're going to go around and try to catch them with fish. I was waiting for them to turn the camera on because that vehicle beside them is started and is a little loud. I'm off of it a little bit. Water a little choppy to be out on a kayak, but I guess as long as they don't get caught up in no big waves, they'll be alright. Good day to be out on the lake. It ain't too hot. A little breeze is stirring. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Thought I'd come down here and hang around for a few minutes around the lake, kind of relaxing and peaceful. Over here at Jeep, Tennessee map, man, if you're watching this or watching, I mean. I'll be back shortly. Pontoon boat pulling that tube around. Looks pretty fun. I changed spots. This is a little bit different area here. It's on the other side of the bridge in the Wing Deer Park. I guess that's what it's called now. We got a little parking area up here above me. Got where kids can swing and play in slides and stuff. There's the actual bridge. Little gazebo over there. That's the Bristol Highway. It goes across to anybody that don't know this area. There was a couple jet skis come through, pretty nice looking ones there. I was on the phone, I couldn't record them because I was talking to my mom. They was on the other side though. They might come back through here in a minute or two, I don't know. I'll be back. It's a little park area I was telling about the slides and the swings and stuff. Used to fish out here before they changed this around. You could actually drive down to almost the water at one time, but you can't do that now when you get by with it because they got it where they have little boat shows and different stuff out here all the time. People going down swimming and fishing, but you can't drive down there no more like you used to. It's just a big field, used to be. But they fixed it up pretty nice for people to come out and see it. They used to show movies out here on some kind of projector. I guess it showed like the picture over on the wall, tree line or something over. I'm not real sure how they did do that. They might have actually, sorry about that, blurred up for a minute. They might have actually had a screen up out here, but I think they was like shooting it some kind of a picture over on the wall somehow, or you know, I don't know how they was doing it. I never did come out here. But anyway, I'm just thought I'd make a little video at the lake. Now the traffic on the water slowed down. I have to change areas again. Hey everybody, I'm back now. I was down at the lake watching the boats go up and down the lake, and I was going to roll my right rear window down to take a picture of a deer I saw, and the cable broke, or the motor broke in the electric window or something, and I've been at my mom's trying to get that up for the last 45 minutes to an hour. And we got a storm coming in, and finally got it, at least got the window up. Now I'm going to have to deal with the motor and all that stuff one day next week, I guess. But that's the way it goes sometimes, I guess. I just get so aggravated sometimes. But anyways, I'm gonna upload this video, and I just want to let you know what was going on, and appreciate y'all for watching. I do got a little bit of the lake stuff on there. I think I've got a little bit of Lucky on a video from like day before yesterday. I might put on the end, but I think I had the TV playing, and I know how YouTube is with them copyright things, so I might leave it off, or I might get him in a video if he'll come in here for a minute or two, let everybody see how he's doing and everything. But I'll catch you later. Thank y'all, and have a good evening. Bye now. There he is. There's old Lucky. I'm gonna put you in a little video and let everybody see you, bud. Okay? It's getting ready to storm, and it's thundering a little bit, and that's kind of bothering him. He don't like that thunder and stuff. Do you, boy? I about had you up too close, didn't I? Big boy. Where you going? Watch it rain? You gonna watch it rain? Come here. Come here. Get that basket out of the way, big boy. Alrighty. Me. Say bye to everybody. Hear that wind blowing? Huh? Y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.
Well, that's all, folks.